In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add mobile phone numbers inside GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to confirm everything is saved correctly, so you can call or text your contacts without any hiccups. First, open your browser and head to the official GoHighLevel website. If you're watching this in a browser, you can find the link at the top of the description. Sign into your account to reach your dashboard. If you manage multiple locations or workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one before you add a new person, so the contact ends up in the right place. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and select Contacts. This brings you to your list of existing people. At the top of the page, click Add Contact. This opens a new contact form where you'll enter the details. Start by filling in the basic information, like name and email. Even if you plan to text the person, adding an email can be helpful for future communication and for keeping your records complete. Use proper capitalization for names to keep your database clean and easy to search later. Next, add the mobile number. In the phone field, type the full mobile number with the correct country code. The most reliable format starts with a plus sign, followed by the country code and the number, with no extra spaces or special characters. For example, enter it like country code number. This format helps avoid delivery issues with calls and texts and keeps your data consistent across tools. Double check the digits before moving on. One missing number can prevent messages from sending. If you see an option to set a phone type, choose mobile. This label tells the system that this number can receive texts and mobile calls, which is especially important if the contact also has a landline or a work number saved elsewhere. When everything looks good, click Save or Create Contact. GoHighLevel will add the contact to your list with the mobile number you provided. If the system flags a possible duplicate, review the suggestion and proceed as appropriate for your records. Finally, open the newly created contact profile to verify the entry. Confirm that the phone number appears exactly as you entered it, including the country code, and that it's labeled as mobile if that option was available. A quick visual check here saves time later when you start calling or texting. That's it. Your contact is now ready to use inside GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching.